I just been crying tears of joy, so don't worry about that. I don't even know if I'll put this up. This might just be for me, but I had a profound spiritual experience yesterday. I've just been feeling more, I guess you can say, alignment, moving closer towards God, and yeah, just more, just so much inspiration and clarity coming through. Like, I haven't been sleeping because I have so many ideas of what I want to do, what I want to create, and I was sitting there yesterday just on my laptop, just furiously like rewriting my website, just getting it in line with my visions, and just flowing and flowing and flowing. It was crazy. And I felt such excitement, such purpose, so much just boom, just like, this is who I am, this is what we're doing, just fucking amazing. And I had the thought, I never want to lose this, this inspiration, this alignment. I never want to not feel this way again. And as I had this thought, I realized that that I am this that I'm feeling, this love, this divinity, this sense of purpose, this excitement, this joy. I realized I am that. It's not something that's happening to me or that I'm feeling. I am that. And I realized that that is God, and that I am God. And I just knew it. This is the truth of it. And I felt it, I knew it, and I just started crying tears of joy. There was a moment where I just literally just went, oh, I remember who I am. And I just started crying and crying and crying, and I had to go into my room because I didn't want to freak anyone out, and I was just looking up at the sky. I remember. I was just crying. Oh. This morning I got up. I barely sleep. I'm all the time just writing down ideas and filming. I can't even keep up. There's so much, just like everything just coming through, everything that I want to do and why I'm here. It's just all so clear. I've always known, but it's always been, some layer of doubt or fear or, some bullshit that sort of clouds it, And I feel the clouds are lifting as I merge with the divine. The clouds are just gone. There's no more clouds. It's just, I am what I am who I am. That's it. There's nothing else. And all other questions just kind of go out the window. It's like, all other questions, Oh, should I buy this property? I think it would be really great for me to own it. And it's bullshit. So if it's supposed to happen and it's going to serve my purpose, the universe will provide it for me. God will bring it forth. There's nothing for me to do. The only thing for me to do and worry about is living my purpose. That's it. There's nothing else that matters. Nothing. It seems my body is rejecting food. It's like I feel so much love and fulfillment and so much God that if I try and eat anything other than like maybe some juice or some tea or like a fruit, I have like violent diarrhea. My body just, like, I eat it and it doesn't taste as good. It's like, oh yeah, I could eat this. It doesn't, I don't even care. And it just spits it out violently. Like I haven't really eaten. I've had 2 small meals of pho, with my Vietnamese pho that I make. 1 meal per day over the last couple of days, but it just shat it out. So I don't know. It feels like maybe, yeah, as I merge with the divine, and I'm already pranic. It's just, I just don't need it, and maybe it's better for me during this process. Maybe it's just temporary. Maybe just as during this process I'm in now, it's better I just don't cloud it with food, because I don't really need the food. It doesn't add anything to me anymore. Not nutritionally, I don't need it, and emotionally also. For taste, seems like I don't give a fuck right now. Then again, it could just be that fucking Chinese hot sauce I threw into the pho a couple of days ago. $1.50 a can. It may not be the best stuff. So maybe I just fucked myself over there, and everything else is a bunch of horse shit. Could be a bit of both. Could be the hot sauce and the divine thing. Anyway, in some ways it feels like my search is over. But in another way, it feels like my journey has just begun. That I've only truly come into myself today, yesterday, or that I'm coming into it now. I'm pretty impressed that I was able to get most of that out without breaking down. I think that's it for now.